In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in GetResponse. We'll start inside your GetResponse account. From the top menu, open Contacts, then select Custom Fields. This page shows everything that already exists, including built-in fields and any custom ones you or your team have created. It's a great place to review what data you're collecting before you add anything new, so you don't duplicate fields or create overlapping meanings. Next, let's create a new field. Click Add Custom Field, sometimes labeled Create Custom Field. Give your field a clear, machine-friendly name using only lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores. For example, Favorite Flavor works well. Keeping names consistent will help later when you're importing data or building segments. Now choose the field type based on the kind of data you plan to collect. Pick text for free-form entries, number for quantities or scores, phone for formatted phone numbers, date or date and time for time-based information, URL for links, and options like country, currency, or gender when you want standardized values. Selecting the right type not only helps with validation, it also makes filtering and segmentation more reliable. With the typeset, configure the details. Depending on your choice, you can set it as a single choice, a multiple choice, a single line of text, or a longer paragraph. If you're using a choice-based field, enter the options exactly as you want them to appear to your contacts. Clear, distinct choices reduce confusion and keep your data clean. Then, decide visibility. If you mark the field as visible, it can appear on your sign-up forms so new subscribers can fill it in. If you make it hidden, it becomes an internal field you can use for tracking or integrations without displaying it publicly. When everything looks good, click Save. Once created, your custom field is ready to use in 3 key places. First, sign-up forms. Add the field to a form so new subscribers can provide that information right away. Second, the contact profile editor. Open any contact and manually enter or update their value if you're collecting information through conversations or support. Third, the import screens. When you upload a file that has extra columns, map those columns to your custom field for a clean import. A few quick tips as you work. Keep field names short and descriptive. Avoid changing the field type later because it may affect existing data. And test your forms with a sample contact to confirm everything displays and saves correctly. With thoughtful planning, custom fields become powerful tools for personalization, segmentation, and smarter automation in your GetResponse account.